Hi, I'm back today with a maths video because it's Wednesday today. How are you all doing? You all are great. Okay, that's nice. Okay, today we are going to just revise numbers from the number 1 to 35. That's what we saw. That is like we saw from 21 this term, right? But still, whatever we saw in the previous terms, we are going to revise. We are going to revise from 1 to 35. Do you all want to count the number along with me, or are you all going to repeat it? Counting with me would be more interesting, and I think at this stage we have to do that, right? Shall we all count together? Let's get started. 1 2 3. Shall we start? Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very good. 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Superb. 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35. Let's clap for ourselves. Very good. So we did it, right? You all did it. So now you all are sure of how to count. How to count and how to write and how to identify numbers from 1 to 35. That is great. So today what we are going to do is we are going to do an exercise in our worksheet based on the counting, based on writing from 1 to 35. Okay, let's get into the workbook. Okay, open your workbook and go to page number 12. And are you able to see some you have to write the numbers from 1 to 35, and lot of blank spaces are there. We have started it and we have just ended it. Like from 1 you have to go ahead and write what comes next. Fill in the blanks. Just we revised it, right? I'm not going to help you in doing this. I want you to think and do, because we just now revised what comes next. Okay, we just now revised. I want you all to do it all by yourself. One more thing I want to let you know is, write 1, what comes next? 2. Write 2 here. Go this way. Don't go this way. Okay? 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Okay? Write this way. Miss Juno will now teach you how to identify big and small numbers. Okay? Miss Juno, please take over.
Hi, I'm here to teach you about big and small numbers. Big and small numbers. Now when I showed you big and small numbers, how did I say? Big and small numbers. அப்போ உங்களுக்கு தெரியுது இல்லையா? Big means more, so much. Small means very less. Is it not? Okay. Here she has written 2 numbers here. Is it not? What is that number here? 10 and 19. Correct? Good. Now we have to identify which one is big. Shall we identify which is big? Okay. Now look at this number 10. How many 10s are there in a 10? There is 1 10. Is it not? 1 10. How many ones are there? How many ones are there? 0 ones. Is it not? So 1 10 and 0 equals to 10, we told. Is it not? Okay. So there is 1 10 and 0 ones in it. Next one. What about this one? How many 10s are there in it? There is 1 10 and how many ones in it? 9 ones. 1 tens and 9 ones will give you 19. Okay, 1 10 and 9 ones will give you 19. That is what we had learnt, right? Okay, so you see here you have 1 10, Here also you have 110. Here you have 0 and here you have 9. So now you tell me which is the bigger number? Rendu sidelayum 10 irukku, but this one has only 0. This has 9. Tell me which is bigger, 10 or 19? 19. Very good, because there is 9 ones more than this. Is it not? 9 ones is more in this. Inga 0 ones da irukku. Inga evlo irukku? 9 ones. So 19 is definitely a bigger number. Now we'll try yet another number. Okay? Let me just say any number that will be easy for you. Okay? Like for example, let's say 23 and 21. 23. How many tens are there in 23? 2 tens are there. 2 tens are there in 20. And then how many ones are there? 3 ones. Correct? So you got 23. 20 and 3 will give you 23. Here, how many tens is there? 2 tens. And then how many ones is there? Just 1. Just one is there. So 20 and 1 will give you 21. Now we'll do the comparison. Here you have 2 tens. Here also you have 2 tens. Both the places 2 tens, 2 tens. So they are same. Now here how many ones do you have? Just 3 ones are there. How many ones are there here? Only 1. Just 1 there. 3, 1. Which is a bigger number? 3 or 1? Which is big? 3, right? 3 is a bigger number. So 23 is bigger. Now you tell me which is a bigger number, 23 or 21? 23 is a bigger number. So 21 will be a small number. You got it? Shall we try one more number like this? Okay. Let me write. Okay. Here I will write 7. Here I will write 35. Okay. Now you tell me. How many tens are there here? No tens. No tens at all. Okay. So we have nothing here. There is no tens here. Got it? Okay. So I will write it here as there is no tens, or simply we leave it as 0 itself here, because nothing. 0 means nothing. Then how many ones are there? 7 ones. Okay. So you get here 7. Here how many tens do you have in 35? 3 tens. And how many ones do you have? 5 ones. So 30 and 5 will give you, or 3 tens and 5 will give you 35. Okay. Now we'll compare which is big one. Tens place. How much do you have here? 0. Nothing you have in tens place. How much do you have here in tens place? 30. You have nothing here in tens place, and you have here 3 tens. So which is the bigger number? Nothing or 3 tens? 3 tens is bigger, right? So this will be a bigger number. 35 is a bigger number and 7 is a small number. Did you notice? There is nothing in the tens place here. Adhanala it is a small. So always you look out for this tens place. How many tens are there? How many ones are there? If there is going to be 37, if this was going to be 37 okay, then you have to compare. Ingiyum 3 tens irukku, ingiyum 3 tens irukku. Then both are same. 3 tens, both are same. How about the next one? We'll check the units place. 7 ones, 5 ones. Which is bigger now? 7 ones or 5 ones? 7 is bigger. So 37 is bigger than 35. 5. Okay, this becomes a smaller number now. Got it? 37 is big, 35 is small number. So what did you check for? Tens place. எத்தனை tens இருக்குன்னு you have to check. Now shall we check in our notebook what we have to do? Come, let's see the workbook. See here, you have here a set of numbers on this side, on one half. You have to identify which is the big number. Okay, like I said, we will look for tens place and ones place. Okay, how many tens, how many ones are there? First number 5 and 10. Can you tell me which is the bigger number in this? We'll check in the tens place. What is there in tens place? Nothing. Here you have 1. So which is a bigger number? 10 is a bigger number. சரியா? There is nothing here. It's a 0. இங்கே 1 இருக்கு. So 10 is a bigger number. We'll go to the next one. 13 and 17. What is in the tens place? 110. Here 110. 110, 110. Same. Then we'll go to the next number. 3, 7. Which is a bigger number? 3 or 7? 7, right? 7 is a bigger number. So you say 17 is bigger. So you can tick here. 17 is bigger. Whichever is big, you will have to tick like this. Okay? You got it? Okay. Now let's do this number for a change. 30 and 10. Tell me which is how many tens are there here in this? 3 tens. Here how many tens are there? 110. Which is a bigger number? 310 or 110? 3 tens is bigger, no? Okay, great. So then you tick on the side of 3 tens. Will you do like that for this thing? Find out which is a bigger number? Okay. Next half is about finding out the small number. Okay. For example, you have here 2 and 8. Can you tell me which is a small number in this? Do you want 2 chocolates or do you want 8 chocolates? You say you want 8. You want more, right? So if this is more, this is less. That means this is a small number. 2 is a small number. So we are identifying small numbers here. So you say 2 is a small number. Look here, we have here 15 and 11. Tens place we'll check. How many tens? 110. How many tens? 110. Okay, both are 110, 110. Same. Then we'll move to the next number. How many ones are there? 5. Here 1. 5, 1. Which is a smaller number? 5 or 1? 1 is a small number. So you know that 11 is a smaller number. Got it? Like that will you do for the remaining and find out which is a smaller number? First go for the tens place. If both are same, then you go to the ones place. Okay, how many ones are there? And whichever is a smaller number in the ones place, that will be your answer. This is what you will do in page number 13. We will see the next page. Just like how we did numbers big or small, here we are going to identify the objects which are big and small. For example, in this page, we are going to find out a big object. Here they have given you a ball and one more ball here. This one is a big ball and this is a small ball. Okay, please identify which is a big one. This one. Can you identify and tell me among the clocks which is a big clock? This one. Easy, right? Can you identify and tell me which is a big cake in this? This one, obviously. So you are going to either circle it or tick it like this. okay, or simply color the big ball, big clock or the big cake. Will you like that find out the big fish and the big pack of chips? Very easy. In page number 26, you will have to find out the small object. There is a big chair here for daddy and there is a small chair here for baby. So you know which is small? Yes, this is small. Similarly, can you find out which is the small pillow or the small slipper or the small balloon or the small shovel? Which is your pillow, small pillow, right? Can you tell me which is the small pillow on this? This one, yes. So you color the small pillow. Like that, identify the small objects in this. There is one more homework for you to do here, but we will not do it at home. We will do it at school. Okay, so you all come with your book. When you come on Wednesday, I want you to come with this book and we will do this experiment at school. Idu veetla panna vendam. Seriya? Now anyway you are coming to school, no? So I will prepare all the materials for you to do this. You will have to bring your book with you. Marakama edutittu vandrunga. Tomorrow you will do your homework of writing numbers 1 to 35. இங்கே எழுதிருங்க 1 to 35. And just before you do that, if you are not sure how to count 1, 2, 3, 4 in an order, you can do this before that. You will have to find out who is hiding here. Do you know who is sitting here? Well, you can find out. Eppadi? You start from number 1 and go to 2, 3, 4. Like that, if you keep connecting all the dots and reach 35, you have counted till 35, right? So if you reach till 35, you will find out who is sitting there. Will you come back and tell me in school who was sitting there? Okay. That is all, children. You will have to identify big and small number. That is only difficult thing for you. By now you all know how to write 1 to 35. Today you will write in your workbook once. Tomorrow you will write in your homework book once. Okay. Then in your workbook, identifying big and small numbers. I gave you the trick. Eppadi? You will have to look for the tens place. Okay. Evlo tens irukunu paakanum. Tens ரெண்டுமே சேமாக இருந்ததுன்னா இதுவும் 10 இதுவும் 10 3 tens 3 tens 3 tens அப்படி ரெண்டும் சேமாக இருக்கும்போது then you go to the next number, check how many ones is there. 5 ones, 7 ones. Now which is big in this? 7 or 5? 7 is big. So definitely 37 is a bigger number and 35 will become small number. Okay? Okay, so that is your homework. It is written here. Take a look. Pages 12, 13, 24, 25, 26. And page one page in that will be what we will do at school. It is an experiment on sink and float. Okay? Come with your books. We will do it at school. See you at school. Bye-bye.